In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign to WordPress using Activecampaign forms. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the main hub where you'll build or manage your website, blog, or online store. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login to access your account details. Now, if you're a Google user, things can be a bit more streamlined for you. If you want to make logging in quick and easy, select Continue with Google. This will prevent the hassle of remembering another password and streamline your process. Once you've clicked, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the Google account you'd like to use. Select the appropriate account and that should take you to the next phase automatically. Sometimes you might need to give an additional confirmation by clicking Continue, ensuring the right permissions are granted. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the dashboard. The next step is to find the Plugins section. Plugins are essentially add-ons that give extra functionality to your site. Think of them as little tools that expand what your website can do, making it possible to tailor your site to your specific needs. So, click on Plugins to proceed. With the Plugins panel open, you'll want to locate Activecampaign. To do this, you'll need to type Activecampaign into the search bar. This will bring up a list of related plugins. From this list, you'll look for Activecampaign and WP forms. It's important to ensure you select precisely this one, as it's tailored to work seamlessly with both services. Click on Activecampaign and WP forms to start the installation. However, here's a vital note. To take full advantage of connecting Activecampaign to WordPress, an upgraded plan is required. This means if you haven't done so already, you must upgrade your plan to access this functionality. Having an upgraded plan unlocks many features, including the ability to integrate these tools efficiently. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll have Activecampaign seamlessly connected with your WordPress site in no time. Whether you're reaching out to your audience through forms or managing campaigns, you're now set up to make the most of these powerful tools working together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful videos like this one. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you in the next tutorial.